For instance, the first one is consulted naye wasinikeza note because mina ngiyiphethe nkosi yami note inayo sexual assault yayibona. Bazothini because kaloku bekusuppose babam-approachile ndicinga njalo
Mzala ngicela ukubuza umntana mabamcheck first time ama-doctor baye babhala ukuthi umntana bam-assault i-sexual assault.
Mzala iphepha likhona mzala wami. Likhona mzala libhaliwe nje nkosi yami mina ngavele nje ndanalo iphepha likhona mzala futhi likhona nakwi-docket original. So iphepha likhona mzala. Leyo into ayindigungqisi mzala noba abantu bazothetha bathini and I've heard people besithi uyaxoka kumele aboshwe. Hey guys, mna ukuba ndizobotshelwa inyani kulungile not ngowami umntwana. Hayi not emntaneni wami bazalwane. Never.
Dube kunezidezi bhayis sengqondweni yami mfethu yabona. So into le case ngishadisi.
Yeah, it becomes unfortunately we're all receiving, bits and pieces as and when they are given. I mean, for me, I find it interesting. The prosecution has to know who they are prosecuting. So there has to be someone charged. Do you get what I'm saying? There has to be someone charged
yes.
to say, we are charging Piwe for stealing this phone. And then it goes to the MPA and the MPA says, yeah, we can prosecute this. So, and I'm not saying that information should be given to us. However, amongst them there, at least to know that there is someone who's being charged. We don't have to know who it is. We're not entitled to that information. But is there someone who's being formally charged to say this points at you? Thus, the NPA now can be questioned to say, why don't you want to? But as it stands, if we don't know that there is anybody that's been charged, or anyone that is sitting as a prime suspect, that's where the questions then come.
And Babu Dube, before nje sorry ngokungena emlonyeni mzala. I-signs sibebuhlungu ethi as a family if ukuthiwa i-case zange ihambe kakuhle like kwa last year because Tina should have went like for a private route, you understand? But ngoxa sijonge isikhathi esingaka because ngesikude thina phi why sasingazange sitshelwe ke ukuthi hayi ibekele lapha ecaleni because akubukho ubufakazi. And also odokotela mina ngiyazi mina nge-knowledge yami andiyazi ke mhlawumbe noba enough na ukubana udokotela if ebesayibhalile bekusuppose uba uzise i-report and yandibhida nawo xa izovela ngolu hlobo because 2 ministers ezime phakathi phambi kwabantu zatsho it has been confirmed medical into yobana le nto yenzekile. So ke ngoku sithini sisayiphi komkhulu uphiwe sithini? That is why I tell people, guys, thina asazinto, thina asazikwanto akho nto esimfonywe ngayo thina sisalindile qha kuphela.
Ngicela ukubuza mama Qwebe. Nama question ayithu. Uprincipal or wonke umuntu bamtestile for i-DNA ugcina ithatha i-test.
Hayi xa ndibuza i-investigating officer mna yathi ayakathathwanga.
Okay. So i-case njengoba bayidropa manje bathi abatholi evidence yokuthi umntana udlwenguliwe or abatholi evidence yokuthi ubani odlwengule umntana.
Ndizukwazi umzali ukuyiphendula leyo because kuthi ayikafiki as bangishilo nakwena ukuthi thina sikayitholi leyo nto leyo as the family.
Okay. Mr. Dube.
Yes. Just one question, if I'm sure, all right, if she's saying, it hasn't come back from that side, it's understandable. From the statement that I read, and I don't know if I'm correct, because I made a video about it, Umtana said she was called by someone to go and clean the classroom. And when she got there, she was alone and then she fell asleep. officer, I'm not, but just from that piece alone, right? If this is the person that secluded the child and then was the last person that the child saw before she passed out and was the first person that the child saw when she woke up, isn't that the person that should be telling us what happened in that period if we believe that that's when it happened?
Ukutshela baba uDube yo okay ngizozama indlela ukuyibeka ne so that ingazosounda rude. Ndiyakuva baba uDube nathi lento bekade siyibuza ilento bekade siyifuna I think indikuphendulile. Ilanto sasisho thina sithi impendulo zilele khona lapha if ingathiwa into iphaya because kaloku if inganithi ngahamba ngayoshanyala bese ngakhathala kwanukitha elishisiweyo bese ngakhathala then afterwards now akazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni between ukukhathala kwakhe and also ukubizwa kwakhe ukuthi i-transport ifikile. Nami ndiyafana nawe baba uDube. That is why nathi sasisho even on the meeting yange second kuze ukuthi ka December ukuthi kanti ukuphi lo muntu owathuma ingane because ufuna umuntu owathuma ingane thina sifuna umuntu owathuma ingane azo explain kuthina as the parents but sizange wakhona kwi meetings ebesihlala but nathi sena loyo question and sifuna ukucaciselwa sihlaliswe phansi sizwe ukuthi kwenzakalani why ingane yakhathala because I went as far as to say the day sine meeting ngithi mina uyazini if nje lo muntu ebekhona nje azoziphendulela akho umuntu ona spokesperson la makazoziphendulela yena ukuthi wayithuma ingane why and ngifuna i-contract nginesho ukuthi ingane yami kumele ishanyelwe that's all.
Lo muntu oye wathuma ingane iDNA bayithatha kuye ne?
Ithathile ulo ebefonela uIO non stop ebuza ukuthi zibuya zisithene results.
Hey, Dube.
Ukuthi abantu are still asking ukuthi i-test ntontontoni. Guys anifuna uxoka indaba ze-test dikhunjuzwa umuntu phofu naye ebuza sesibuyile sibhedlela and we tried by all means as a family ukuthi at least kube khona eyenziwa i-test noba ke kuthathwa inwele nentoni kwathiwa nje i-maximum period 3 months and masipala thina sabe sikwinyanga ye5 for ezo test ke noba kwakuzothathwa inzipho noba kwintoni andiyazi but we're trying our level best ukuthi at least mayibe khona but ke zange siyazi nathi in time if we knew ngesahamba that route. I called udokotela wena ke ingane esibhedlela wathi ke yena no uzange wadonsa amagazi for lokho because naye
Dube.
Just okay, carry on.
No, if you want to ask a question, mbuze because the question ngiletha kuwe mina.
Okay, no, ungayibuza.
To just a normal ifika makwenze njani?
I don't want to be quoted. Engingakusho just from common knowledge yami. Ngoba they are the prosecutors. Baya prosecutor bona they represent the state. So makulecala from what my basic understanding is the police officers will investigate. Then they charge. Angitsebe investigatile baya charge ake bona ukuthi no you have to be charged with 1 2 3 4 5. Then it goes there to say to NPA, I believe, to then say, yes, there are merits to this case. We can represent the state. Then now you need a lawyer who's going to go against the prosecution. The prosecution has to prove your guilt. The lawyer has to prove your innocence. So the NPA has the right to say, asiliboni lecala. Do you get what is so that they don't waste the court's time and state resources? So they can say, we don't know, man. We don't see it. The same way that police officers themselves can also choose not to charge you. Mabe bona ukuthi okay mina ngihambe lawe ngithi uphiwe ungenze 1 2 3 4 5. Bas interview whatever the case is and they can come to the conclusion yokuba IQ mamela. Asaz Gumbe, there's something stressing you in life. But from what you are telling us, we don't believe Piwe did anything to you. So the police can also do that. If the police charge you and say, no, siyasizwa story sako, Piwe, we are charging you. Then it goes a step higher. There's a decision made there
MPA,
to
okay.
say, yes, there's a case here, we can hear this. Then, boom, 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 to the roll, da, 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 da. It's now where it's supposed to be for it to be heard. So it's interesting when the MPA is saying, we don't know, man. We don't know.
Kushuthi i-NPA kahle kahle yibo abantu abayenza ama-decisions ukuthi noma lese uchajiwe amaphoyisa, right? Bayenza i-thorough investigation bona amaceda ba-decide. So any decision ethatha yibo kushuthi yiye estandayo.
Want to be quoted 100% on that, but
something like
what I'm
that.
saying, Ngokuba, they say, oh, okay, kule cala lapha. And so you know what I mean. That's how the thing goes. That's how it goes. My question though was, there was something that continuously is being raised. Allegedly, there was something to do with constipation and diarrhea. Maybe a little clarity on that one. It will be my last question. I have a phone call very soon. There was something mentioned about constipation as well as the child then being given laxative, wakwazi ukuzikhulula, and there was about allegedly, a lot of poop that came out. Does that have any correlation with?
So the question yakho ukuthi njengoba umntana beka constipated, is it something beyimphethe or iyenzo ukuthi umntana bamenze kanjalo, ne?
Those lines ukuba ingena ngaphi leyo ngoba ilokhu people keep bringing it up ukuthi ubele constipation bekuka.
Yeah, okay.
Before iphendula Mamzo, sorry hayi kabi la ekhaya kuyathandazwa guys, u5 o'clock bengicela sithandazeni.
Oh, okay, kulo part if ukhumbula kahle ephiwe andimani noba ubhuti wayikhona na ku-live wakho on the day ngisho ukuthi vele sasiqeda udla inyama.
I don't think bekakhona, yes.
Engekhona. Okay, so ingane ke yakhala ngesisu yahamba yayopupa bese yabuya yathi yo mama running stomach bese yabuyela again ihamba yopupa within 10 minutes bese malibuya the second time kulapho ngamnika khona i-antidiarrheal and ipanado. Ngayinika ingane antidiarrheal and ipanado, and with the antidiarrheal ke ufuna ukukhuluma.
Yes, this was before ubona ukuthi umntana ba.
This was kungolwesibini on the 15th.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Dube, so umzala umntana ubuye late on Monday, ne? Njengoba i-transport bathi imlandile kanjalo. On Tuesday kwaba nomsebenzi ekhaya, if I'm not mistaken.
Umsebenzi Piwe, sorry mntase. Sasizo my toddler i-toddler yayizogqiba i-1 year, so sasizowenza ipati for u-1 year old.
Oh yes.
Khona abantu bephathi sasowenza ipati ye-1 year old, so we decided nobaba ukuthi okay masihlabe ini kuhlatshwe ingulube, so that if isenze ibrai senze i-wings ke nani, but including ne-chops zengulube wangewona umcimbi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then from lapho Mr. Dube yila umntana acala ukuba ne-problem eyesisu khona, and at this point bebangaka understand ukuthi umntana kwenzakaleni ngaye until umntana I think kusekuseni atshela uma.
And ibrai Piwe, ibrai yayizoba on a Saturday, thina siku Tuesday on the day kuhlatshwa ngayo ingulube. Ibrai yayizoba Saturday. Lo Saturday lo washaya sisesibhedlele zange bekhona ibrai yengane, which is 1 year old, because i-21st azalwa ngayo ka-October yayizoba phakathi evekini the following week.
Mr. Dube, angazi if uphendulekile kule ndaba ye-constipation.
Yes. Ngoba the way, unfortunately, yabona social media, the way it works, it seems as though this happened either during or before. So bekungazi ukuthi oh this happened after the assault happened, so that we have a clearer picture of how we are moving.
No. She did explain Githi Tina.
No, I wasn't there. Yes, then so my apologies. Yes.
Yeah. So besibuza step by step. Bafethu kuma comment section ngicela nicoleleni uDube as a host mhlambe makabuza ama question akanje. Naye phela uya host ama live wakhe. So abantu especially today they came and they had questions. So amanye ama questions awabuza lana. Ninga feeling ngathi uba insensitive or somehow ama questions umphakathi abafuna ukuthi bawezwe. Yabona?
Ubaxolele mntase hayi mina ame hardcore ya uqhubeka Dube zakutshela ifunza khona ukuyiphendula zakutshela ifani khona ukuyiphendula otherwise igele right.
I hear you, Ma, and I think I have maybe a clearer picture as well. Ekuba sekutheni your lawyer should get the full explanation as to why they are saying they can't proceed. That's information that I'm sure they are going to give lawyer. Ngoba if they are saying insufficient evidence, whilst Tina to the normal person, there seems to be someone we can put at the forefront of this thing. Ukuba ibuzani this person has all the answers. If the NPA says with that, we still are saying there's no evidence, then maybe they will need to explain to you in detail why.
Yes, I mean the question bengibuza Dube uthini.
What if mina ngihlangana nawe ngithi baba uDube nangami lamakhadi wasebank ayi4 from 4 different banks. You understand? Ngikunike lamakhadi aku envelope bathatha baba uDube uhambe. Bese so usukile 10 kilometers away. Manje uthi ay man ke ngivulele envelope mawufika la kule envelope hayi man ayi3 lamakhadi instead of 4. Uzothini wena baba uDube uma so reporter lapha kuphi uzothi amakhadi nginike 4 noba nginike 3.
3.
Okay, and yes, mntase, but it was just a question nje nathi esinayo as the family. I'm not saying ukuthi wena kwathi but it's just nje a question nkosi yami ebenginayo. And also Phiwe, before imibuzo yakho inkinga ukuthi ngizokhohla lezi zinto and ngizohamba ngizokhatha. Okwesibili ukuthi ingane yangena kwi-interview. Do you know ukuthi ingane mina bi-interviewer in my absence? Mangifuna ukwazi ukuthi is there any progress eyenzekayo enganeni ngisho no akumelanga. Zezinye zezinto wena Phiwe engingazithethi kunina because ngiyayazi ukuthi ngoba ngathi ngiyavuthisa. There is a lot Phiwe yenzekalayo la. Ama screenshot ne recordings ngireceive ama calls ngishela ukuthi hayi endaweni ethile kanje nakanje nakanje. Ngiyayidlulisa that information. Ama ministers kuphithana kube yonke into apha eSouth Africa but ngiyakhetha ukuthula Phiwe and watch ukuthi izawuphelela phi lena. If ungarelease enye into la Phiwe kungabhoma. But because this is me, I'm fighting for my child. I'm not fighting with anyone. I'm not fighting the system, but I'm fighting for the rights of my child. That's all. Irregardless ukuthi ubani uthini yena uyithatha kanjani. Hayi guys, nothing ngabama abantwana. Never akwazi bethu nani. Never.
So Mr. Dube.
Yes sir.
Icase mayicala. Umntana if bathi is sexual assault. And there's people like Mele bathatha ama DNA. Shuthi emntwaneni bawatholile ama DNA or DNA khona mele bayimatch na someone, right?
From my basic knowledge,
yes. So le question ushilo ukuthi nyeka khona ukuyiphendula cause
I think ufuna uya khona phi ufuna ukuya apho ukuthi khona. Remember Phiwe, from October up to December kube ngine statement sami sengane ezibabe explainile before. Now sangena ku 2025 kwakhona izinto ezithathwayo. Now mase receive letter le eshoyo ukuthi ngokwe swaps ezathathwayo akho foreign DNA and ne-tracks ukuthi abayithathile aba detectanga gas. Asiyazi ke leyo nkosi yami ngoba igazi ndiyalazi. Aba detectanga gas. Okay fine Phiwe akunankinga. But now lo letter is dated to December. Sekuthathwa ini kuthathwa i-DNA samples kubantu nini ngoFebruary if I'm not mistaken khona lapho. Yes, February. Zithathwa ke phiwe zihambe zabuya phiwe sithi negative. If uzibuye sithi negative, zicomparison nezigabani if beziku-foreign DNA before. Hayi ndiyeke niphiwe mina. Hayi phiwe mababone phiwe kuba bathina abantu ndiyeva kuba kuthiwa mangiboshwa guys it's fine. If kumele isitshixo sikhale masikhale phiwe but not ngomntanam still ndizawuphuma ngenye imini mhla ndiphuma still ndizobe ndibuza umbuzo kubana enganeni ngaze ngatshela udoctor ukuthi ingane idlwenguliwe yakhona nenote yakhona nentoni why ingane yami yathunywa ukuthi mayihambe iyoshanyela why ingane yami ithunywa ukuthi mayihambe iyoshanyela nangicele icontract kudala ukuthi iphi contract endayisayina mina eshoyo ukuthi ingane yami mayihambe iyoshanyela ibise esikolweni ngiyezwa nalabo bathi bendi-owisha isikolo mina kwi-statement se-26 kaNovember 2024 i-school fees sesikole 2000 and something befakele i-statement on the date for ukuthi ngiyibhadale makuphela inyanga kabani kaNovember bendinga-owe isikolo even if bekuthiwa mandi-owe isikolo wena phi ubaninzi abazali baye ba-owe isikolo but loo nto ibingathi ndinikela ngomntana wami ubana mhlambi ke ngenzeka loo nto leyo anditsho kuba yenzeke khona but mina bendingena-problem nanamntu nje sengokuseyivela kubana kuthiwa hayi ebene-problem naye ebelwa naye laa mntu mna ndimbone the day ndihambe ndiyogada umntwana esikolweni ndihleli phaa ngasesikolweni ndandiqala nokumbona ndandike ndimkhombe nasendleleni uphi yena laa dokotela guys ngokokuva kwam because nam bendingayazi I've been asking nam ubana okay udoctor kutheni engasiwe khotha ahambe yothetha ntoni kuthiwa engathi xa sele idocket ingene ngaphakathi that's when ke ngoku bekwazi ukumbiza bamakaze azochaza but ke asazi noba i-statement sakhe sathathwa okanye zange sithathwe asazi bathungu asazi
Yho.
phiwe ile nto endiyishoyo mntase noba ii-rumors zinga-circulate zithina abantu bathetha abakuthandayo guys owam umntwana mna ndaphuma nomntwana endlini ndingakhange ndiyazi futhi phiwe kudala saba-constipated as babantu besitsho wawukhe wavuleka wena uvuleka ubone phaa uvuleke ku-constipation wawukhe wavuleka there is no way phiwe there is no way kutheni kulose up until today bese kwadokotela I know abantu have been asking ukuthi uphi andiveli ever since ureliswe lento okay umntwana njena ndisho ukuthi unenkinga sihamba odokotela nani because on Saturday no Friday ebe-examine omunye udokotela esasho kwayena ukuthi hayi mani isavela apha as per i-statement esasikhutshiwe la lento ka la note eyikhutshwe ngila kudokotela wokuqala esho ukuthi there is a tier at 12 and 6 o'clock anal tier kwi-anal ne that shows into yobani ingane yadabuka from 6 to 12 uyamazi ku-6 to 12 esikhathini kwi-clock ne so udokotela uthi isabonakala lento and even ne-NS nayo noba ibuyele but ayikabikho 100% sidila nezo zinto phiwe and then there is people ke ngokubona bazomake up izitori zabo they've got every right wena phiwe thina sina problem as the family but as long as mna ndingazule ntuka as long as mna ndingazujika phiwe ndithi ndifuna ijustice for umntana wami and I promised myself that I will fight for my child until I sweat blood andizujika loo nto leyo phi umntwana ngowami wazalwa ndim ndiyazi uba namzala kabuhlungu kangakanani mna ucwecwe so akho mntu ozozondixelela otherwise phi hayi ndiyaxolisa mntase I know ubani umoya wami wawungaphakamanga that time that day sixoxa sonke but ngowami umntwana phiwe sidila nomntana netrauma yizolo ebelele nam akafuni nokuthi ufuna ukuthi nca kuthi uyambona kubana ziyabuya izinto ingane iyakhumbula bit by bit phiwe but asizumrasha and now she's drafting a letter for us utshilo mama notata ndinibhalela iletter it's been a week ngoku besize kwadoctor besilapha eJoburg size kwadoctor for ye so yasho ukuthi no ndisadraft iletter ndibhizinele letter ndizonika mama uthi eseflight no mama ndizonika iletter notata nizoyifunda I'm still busy with it ndimane ndiskipha insuku ndingabhali I'm like hayi mntanam take your time mhlawumbe kwayileleta iyosinceda wena phi uyosiza makathathe ixesha lakho umntana asitshele because jonga phiwe ngikhohlwe into enje enkulu nkosi yami because sesokhathi sihambe saya ku-social psychologist u-social uyacela basahambe siye kuyo for i-session sahamba phiwe safika nyani uyangena ingane cause kaloku akumelanga ndingene ngokokusho kwakhe mina akumelanga nje ndingene yangena ingane phofu kuthiwa into engikhulumile ingane the time sisahleli edining, you understand? Kunento eyikhulumile ngithi mina sisi kunento ekhulunywa ingane and safika la andazi ukuba uthini wathi ayisisi mina ngizomnaka ngokwami maseyikhona. Okay fine. Yani ingane cause bicele iphayi masa kwi-session kwi-dining for ukuthi makadle bese uyangena ngaphakathi. Kwangabi nankinga, yahamba ingane, phela mina on the other side. Ingane nje Nkosi yami iyaxoxa lapha ngiyabezwa cause ugeli ke unele voice yami. So nani ke kuyaxoxa. I overheard vele i-conversation because at the end of the day ngikhona la ngikho kude yabona and nabo they were just loud. Kungabi nankinga. Ndiphume ke because bengisefonini so anifuna ukuxoxela la edining, ngiphume ngiye ngaphandle. So ngihlala emotweni ayiphume emotweni because kuyashisa ngihlale phansi. Then sahleli phansi baphume. Guess what wena Phiwe? You'll tell me if I'm wrong okanye ndinento kwenza like with okanye ndilwisa abantu. Iyam interviewer phayana okay baphume nesebegqibile nokum interview phandle ngizotshelwa ngokuthi ufika usisi uthi ndimbuzile umntana kuba uthanda ngizoyikhuluma le because abantu bavele nabo bazitholela vele ukuthi okay there is stepfather there is what okay fine ndimbuzile umntana kuba biological father and notata wakhe lo ahlala naye. Wow, biological emntaneni wami zange nathetha ngabiological enganeni and ingane iyayazi ukuthi vele unobaba babili. You understand? Uthi ke yena no ndifuna umntana ahlangane ingane ihlangane with biological father benze lento ka but benze babe ne bond but ngitshelile ukuthi unditshelile ingane ngitshelile ukuthi otata bakho bathanda bo bayi2. Apha why uzothetha lonto apha sizothetha ngalesithetha ngayo why wena uzoraise izinto. I'm not saying uburongo but is this the right platform na sidila ngecase wena uzovusa izinto umntana nami uzomxelela ngamagama ka biological intoni biological intoni biological Phiwe. So you tell me into bana la interview or i-report esubmithwe papa lo muntu obekhuluma ngebiological nani exoxa enganeni unitshela ukuthi uyenzile le bekumele buyenzile.
Wait mzala uthi njengoba umntana bamisa laphana for session ugirl lo beka interview umntana
yes
ubuze umntana ukuthi who's your biological father igama lakhe and wafuna ukuthi yena abe nebond nobabakhe wangempela.
Exactly. Undiva kahle mzala oyibhudanga undiva kahle mzala uzothetha ngobiological apha ingane yasho ukuba ayimnandi yazi biological mama intoni biological ndizoyi-explaina ndiyithini mina uthi ufuna ukwenza i-bond between abantwana umntana notata wakhe and I told her into bana jonga who said mhlawumbe aba bantu abazange bavisithelana okanye ababonana okanye akutheni yena uphuma kwi-context uhamba ngokuzothetha ezinye izinto asithethi ngaloo nto apha now Phiwe apho ndikhoyo Phiwe kulapho ukuthi if umntana beyo interviewer kuyothethwa nge-incident ne why umntana kuzo interviewer kuthethwe ngendaba yokubana ufune kwenziwe ufune ubond ube nebond notata wakho sizothetha ngalento apha Phiwe sizothetha ngalento Phiwe yenzekile apha and Phiwe ndingazange ndibe satisfied even nangeyokuqala isession awayinayo le kaNovember because xa ndihlangana nayo uthi yena umntwana akatsho ukuba udlwenguliwe umntwana akatsho ukuba utheni ubanjiwe akatsho ukuba ifakiwe uyaqala ukuyibona ingane wena so i-introduce ngokuba uthi wena hayi umntwana akatsho ukuba udlwenguliwe uyazelapha ukudlengula umntwana ukwazelapha ukudlwengulwa qala make kudlalwa ngathi bethuna ndanditshilo Phiwe emapoliseni ndasho futhi nakwezi departments ngathi guys if you feel like the case I'm a pain in you yekeni ndanditshilo mzali and I saw it coming ndathi yekeni le case abafuna ukuyeka Phiwe.
Ngicela ukubuza kuma comment section guys if umuntu uyi-prosecutor do they have a right yokuthi babuze umntana nge-stepfather number 1 number 2 banayo i-right yokuthi babuze umntana ukuthi udlenguliwe maybe first day nge-introduction angazi I just need to understand that first. Are they allowed ukuthi Okay. Abantu bathi no. Qhubeka mzala. Ukuthi bengifuna ukunderstand ukuthi umuntu nomuntu yes.
Yophiwe thina besingena problem. If she went as far, even if abembuzile ne, she went as far as wanting the number katata wakhe sithi hayi ucela inamba katata wakhe ngizawuthetha. Even if ibingumsebenzi wakhe, is this the right platform into bana makenze lonto okanye uzofuna la ifunayo?
Hey.
Uyayibona?
Okay.
And mzala and kuyo yonke into mzala, one thing about me ke mzala mina ndinguGideon. Ndihamba ngalo mandla endinawo naba bandisupportayo mzala. I want to make it clear because I know abantu bazoba ne-comments ezokwenza kuba mandehle umoya. Hayi mina mzala I bounce back mntasi. Hayi mina I bounce shame.
Every day mzala.
Every day mzala and I sleep like a baby knowing into bani imnyani yona ndimele. Ndimele mna.
Hey ngoba mzala abantu baku social media bayakhuluma. Bathi wena ubhadala ama influencer ukuthi azokhuluma ngale story. Uyabona manje bheka ngithi hayibo phela manje ama influencer kushuthi number yakufaka ke manje lapha.
Nawe bayakufaka kaloku mzala.
Angithola musi nje imali.
I can approach you mzala. I can approach you mhlambe ndikuve kuba ubuthethe ngecomment ethizeni. Ndiku-approach ndithi mzala yazi ngala comment yakho. Ukasona kaso. Not ukuba kuthiwa manipushelwe. Hell no, that's not me mzala. Hayi andinguye lo muntu mzala. No matter mina mzala kuthiwa ndidinga kangakanani but i-desperation yona ndakhula mzala ndiyazi into bana sisi if akwenzeki ungaze uveze i-desperation yakho ebantwini. That's me mzala. Hayi apho bayaxoka mzala. Bayaxoka nje.
Yeah. So mzala uyakhumbula njengoba ubewula ekhaya ne?
Yes.
Bebathi wena bongafuni ukuthi umntana bamcheke what uyakhumbula leyo topic beyikhona le?
Yeah.
Baye bagcina bam check umntana after lapho mzala or ba decide ukuthi ubone
ndifuna into ebhaliwe yazi iphendule wathi nomunye umuntu angizosho ukuthi ubani. Wathi hayi but loyo nto leyo ayonkinga. Ndathi if ayona inkinga bese iziseke ndinike yona. Ngisayimele ke mzala wami up until today. Ngisayimele.
Yazi ne?
Mzala andirani charity for ingane mina. Ayozonikela khona ngengane. Angeke nditsho nowakho mzala noba ngingathiwa nanku umntana wakho wena ukho. I will fight for your child mina mzala. Ngabantwana ngafuna umuntu ayolahlwa mzala nothi ngabantwana kum. I love kids with my whole heart.
Yazi ngibona abantu bathi kuma comment section uphiwe uphelele umoya. Bafethu it's just that number one le topic is sensitive. Uyabona? And manje I saw a lot many women ba against umama kaCwecwe today. Uyabona? Hayi lo mama one of the reasons why bekalandelela umntana wakhe esikoleni is not ukuthi umntana bekafuna ukuya esikoleni bekamlandelela because of she wanted to make sure ukuthi akakhulumi na anyone ngale ndaba. Yabona I was like
njani hayiza ndinguye lo mzali mina Phiwe I grew up I'm a daddy's girl mina. I'm a daddy's girl wena Phiwe ne. Mina nikhuliswa umuntu ostrong onibonisile ukuthi sisina ngama challenge ama channels and se close namanje nobaba and ukhona umama uyaphila but I'm a daddy's girl but Phiwe ndangasoze limit umntana. Same people abasho lokho are the very same people abathi wayomenzisa ntoni esikolweni umntana bekhe wathi akafuni sizomane explain now and again hayi Phiwe hayi mababone babathini mntasa hayi mababone mntaksi mina ndisamile njengeyami into mna Phiwe if udokotela wayengazange anikeze note asho ukuthi hey this is beyond my control, this is sexual assault ngeba angixoxa nokuxoxa nawe maybe ke kuba nani manje ngingena ko life bakho mhlambe ngangikwazi kanjalo ngezingekho la sikhona manje Phiwe mntase.
So at the moment the way case ime ngakhona until lawyer yakho izi respond kuwe back case kushuthi bathi bayivalile.
Andiyazi kaloku leyo mna Phiwe mina ndiyazi idocket kwi-senior prosecutor until then kuze kusho ukuthi hayi senior prosecutor iphume ngelithi. Uyayibona thina siyazi thina lonto Phiwe I repeat andiyazi zange sishiyelwe muntu thina.
Yo. Yabona le case ne. Hayi ayingeke. Because now izinto lama events ayenzeke la weird. Number 1, bathatha umntana bayomklinisa, umntana onukela itayera. Umntana uyavuka uyahamba. Okay, kuthatha iDNA yalo muntu bekathuma umntana. Asuye. Why bekathuma umntana? Akaphendula. Okay, number 2. Mhlamba usebenza no principal ukuthi uyo olethe umntana eshiya lo mntana ngapha asala yenza whatever yenzayo. Sharp. Number 3, kuna transport driver ulande umntana late. Angithi sesikhuluma ngabantu abesilisa abahlanganene lentuzana. Uyabona? Number 3, kuna transport driver umthathile umntana uspenda close to an hour nabantwana endleleni. Number 4, I heard some people talking about, hey, we must check the stepfather. Hey, what. So kunabantu abayi4 manje. Even still kulabo bantu abayi4. Akekho nomuntu oyi1 esaziyo ukuthi ubani or i-leader kubani indaba. Kukhona into off guys. Is either kune brown envelope or kune information esingayitholi.
Sizokhatha mntase ngoku nese ndiqalile igravel yeva.
Okay. No mzala. Wena ungayehla ngifuna ukuvula ama comment section just nginikeza abantu 1 minute just to hear ama views awabantu njengoba babukele manje lana, then if you can uzongitshela ukuthi Pure Back ngizokufaka futhi. Oh sekangena ku gravel.
Story saqwetwe, it's really confusing right now because i-NPA ikhuluma lokunye namkwaqwetwe nayo ikhuluma lokunye, and she still stands firm ekutheni she will fight for justice yemntwana yakhe. Uthi nje lokhu kukhulunywa i-NPA akakwati kona akangenelani nako, and yena uyoqhubeka to fight for justice yemntwana yakhe. Abantu abaningi they are now thinking ukuthi lo make ngazuthi osifihlela induku emcubeni ngazuthi kuneliqiniso la ngafuni ukulikhuluma, unemanga kahle. So labantu labaningi bebamthemba kuqala now sebabheke down, some of them saying ukuthi wena make wena ngathi nje uzilela emaqembeni udlalela ngathi, but yena uthi ulala peacefully at night like a baby, knowing very well ukuthi akekho manga ala wakhulumile esiveni, yena yonke into la ikhulumile iliqiniso, and she will fight for a justice yemntwana yakhe noma i-NPA ithini noma bani uthini. She's not gonna back down. Yet there are people she must still support her saying ukuthi we believe you makoqwetwe noma bangathini ngawe, but thina siyakuthemba ukuthi you will never ever lie about your child. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.